Number 1. Fill. Begin by filling your eyebrows starting from the base of your brow. When you do this part, be sure to keep a light hand as you fill in your brows so that you don't walk out the house looking crazy. Next, you should use vertical strokes to lightly fill your inner brow, just so that it's natural and not too harsh. Number 2. Clean up, conceal, and correct your brow bone. At this point, you'll want to start carving out your brows and cleaning up any mistakes. Number 4. Clean up, conceal, and correct the arch of your brow. Number 5. Blend. Now, let's recap everything that we learned today. Number 1. Fill. Number 2. Clean up and conceal. Number 3. Blend. Once you've made it this far, you can finish your face, set your brows, and then slay all day. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to also turn on your post notifications. Bye.